Let's have a look at voice isolation in DaVinci Resolve Studio. I have footage that is already edited and processed, but it's still terrible, so I want to do it again. And what I want to do here is I want to go to the Fairlight page, make sure that track effects are enabled. At that point you will see here track effects, voice isolation. You can disable and enable it, but before we enable it, first let's have a listen.
I can agree at some point where people would say that you crossed the line in a certain way, but it were different times. When our parents were actually okay.
That's terrible, okay? That's very, very terrible. Why it's usable, it's still terrible. I want to change that. So what we do here is we enable it, and now listen. It's really great. Let's go to the full 100% here, and then play the whole thing.
But it were different times, and even our parents were actually okay with it.
It was very strong wind. I would usually say just go to 70% so that you keep a little bit of it in the background so that it doesn't disappear entirely. What it will do.
But it were different times, and even our parents were actually.
I would say go to 70% in this case to keep a little bit of the wind in the background. But on the other hand, if it isn't important, then just go to full Monty, go 100%. It's just to your liking.
There were different times, and even our parents were actually okay.
You hear the difference. So go do what you want. But now you know how to use voice isolation in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.